Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a sleek privacy settings form using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create the component you're seeing on the screen right now. Let's dive in. Let's start by setting up our basic layout. We create a full-screen container with a light gray background using the Min H screen and BG Gray 100 classes. Inside, we center our form using Flex and Justify Center. The form itself is a white, rounded box with shadow and padding. Next, let's add a heading for our form. We use the H2 tag with text LG for size, font semi-bold for weight, and text gray 700 for color. The MB4 class adds margin below the heading. We now set up a grid layout for our form fields using grid and grid calls -1. The GAP4 class adds spacing between grid items. Let's add our first form field for email notifications. We use a label with a span for the text and an input of type checkbox. The input has classes for margin, width, border, and shadow. Now let's add a drop-down for profile visibility. We use a select element with options for public and private. The select has similar styling to our checkbox. Adding another checkbox for data sharing, we follow the same pattern as before. This ensures consistency across our form fields. Finally, we add a button to save the settings. The button is styled with a blue background, white text, and rounded corners. The hover effect changes the background to a darker blue. In this video, we walked through creating a stylish privacy settings form using Tailwind CSS. We covered essential classes like Flex, Grid, and more to build a responsive and modern UI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Your support means the world to us.